What's going on, people, fellow YouTubers and car people? Say what's up to Alaria. Today, welcome to the fourth dimension. First of all, as usual, I hope you guys feeling okay during COVID. I know some people think it's fake, but still, for the people that do think it's real, and for the people that are sick, please wear your mask. Be safe out there, man. Wash your hands and all that. Even without COVID, we should still be washing our hands and being clean and healthy, not people just walking out the restroom after they're done using it and don't even care. Anyway, we have a review. These are some brand new fog lights. As you can see, I have not opened the box yet. Not that there's anything wrong with the ones that I put in there, but supposedly these are supposed to be better and brighter. Now, from the aesthetic look, I haven't opened the box yet. Like I said, aesthetically, cosmetically, whatever, from the pictures, these have a better design. I like how these look more than I like the ones that I currently have. Now, before I say some more about those fog lights, like I said in the other video, these are tinted, so they're not gonna be as bright. And I have 20/20 vision. You guys may have something else. So, and it's a video. So to me, before I put these new ones in, they may be brighter, they may be dimmer, but there's tint. My eyes are different, and it's gonna be video. Just to get that out the way for you guys. Anyway, Type XF1, H11 compatible, 6000K LED. You got your Sealight. Is that a W? Xenoware LED light. Very small box. You can currently get these for what, like $25–30 on Amazon. They are Amazon Prime, so you can get it pretty fast. One thing that you always want to look at, I'm trying to open this with one hand. One thing that you want to look at when you're buying stuff for your car is the reviews. I stay away from stuff that have like 1 or 2 reviews, but that have no reviews at all. I don't want to be a risk taker. I don't have that kind of money. And also, let's say there's like 500 reviews. Obviously, 400 bad reviews you stay away from. But let's say there's like 300 good ones, 100 bad ones, and 100 that's like in the middle. I would still buy that product. Now, there's 500 reviews, and overall, it has good reviews. I'm gonna buy it. But for this specifically, most of the reviews are good. I'm talking about 5-star, 4-star good. Now, I cannot open this with one hand, so give me a second. Anyway, most of these reviews were like good. 5-star reviews. Most of them were 5-star. There was some that were 4-star, and then there was like a few that was like 1-star. And those usual 1-stars come from people that didn't know what they were doing, or like something was wrong with their car, or may not have been compatible with their car. And that's not a fair review, to be honest with you. If the product goes out within a month, or like the product was just really stupid or some crap like that, I agree with that 1-star. But you can't blame the manufacturer for something that's wrong with your car. Or I see a bunch of 1-star reviews that just like, it doesn't make sense, and it's not fair to the manufacturer that made it, and it's not fair to other people trying to get the product. I'm sorry, I'm kind of ranting, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's read this to you guys. You got extended 6-month warranty once you sign up. You got your instruction manual. I already know what to do with that. Pre-installation notice. Pre-installation notice. Oh my god. Okay. Please test the LED bulbs. I don't have anything to test them with. Of course, we're going to make sure they're not damaged. The box looks okay. The box doesn't look like it's been touched. It looked like it came straight from the manufacturer and nobody touched it after that. It's looking pretty clean. It has a built-in fan in it. Okay, that's good. To keep it from overheating. Both of the bulbs looking good. I know it looks really bad on camera, but they're looking pretty good. That's it. There's nothing much to say. The fog lights. You get your pamphlets, you get your box. Alright, Ilaria, before I install these, one more thing. Please, if you're ordering anything for anybody, any kind of gift, let's say I had a Nintendo Switch that I ordered for my nephew, always look at it first. Test it out, look at it. Whatever you just ordered, test it out and look at it. Don't let it sit there in a box for 2 months and then the return policy has expired. And don't do that. Look at it, man. When I buy something for somebody, I open the box, I look at it, especially if it's an electronic, and I make sure it's working correctly, and then I format it. If it is working correctly, I format whatever I did, put it back in the box, tape it back up, and give it as a gift. That way you won't have to go through the hassle of your nephew or your mom or somebody like, you bought me this thing and it's not working. Mom. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so this is the look we currently have. These are the old fog lights. You can see they look pretty bright. They look okay right now, right? They're going past the tint. It makes the car look nice. But the camera needs to refocus. So I'm gonna swap out this driver's side and put the new LED fog light in. And we're gonna compare the new one to the old one. We're gonna leave that one in there. I'm gonna turn off the car, disconnect the battery. If you want to be really safe, disconnect the battery and ground yourself so you won't blow a fuse or anything like that. So, I'll show you guys what it looks like once I install it. First things first, I installed the Sealight onto the driver's side. This is the old Ala light. Like I said, I like the design better of the Sealight. Look, here's your difference. Built-in fan, no fan. LED strips going around it, and I guess like glass or plastic plate right there with another LED strip in the middle. This one you have a plate, I guess aluminum plating, LED bulbs and an LED strip in the middle. I pulled this one off, and just like around here, around this area right here, it was hot. It was hot. You know why? Because it's not designed like this. And I don't mean like it was a heating pad, you got the heating pad on full blast and you feel it. No, I mean this was like you left a pot on the stove and you didn't, or touching the iron hot. Not that hot, but it was hot, you know. It was hot enough for me to move my hand away from it quickly. This one, you should not have that problem because of this plating. It's gonna attract more coolness and the fan on the back. Now, like I said, the look of this one, I like it. The performance of it, it looks about the same. But that's the Sealight, that's the Ala lighting. It's the new light, that's the old light. It's about the same, right? There is tint back there, remember, but I would go with the Sealight just because I know that it would be safer for the car and safer for the lights. And if it does get too hot, your strips may start to melt, or you may pop something, you never know. Anyway, Sealight, we're gonna go with the Sealight. So we're gonna install the Sealight on both of them. There's no point of showing you how it looks afterwards, but I will. I will be right back. Just installed the one for the passenger side. The car was putting up a fight too. I had to stick my arm up in there. She was like, it was trying to eat my arm up. I couldn't pull it out. Anyway, I installed it. They look great. I feel like, maybe because it's getting a little bit darker, I feel like the passenger side looks a little better. I don't know. Like I said, I feel more safer with these because they should cool better. Alright, I took the passenger side off, and it was just as hot as this one, as the old one on the driver's side. They look just about the same. They still look good. They look about the same as the other one, but I feel more safe with these. Spend a few extra bucks, keep your car more safe, you know. But it will keep the wiring and the fog lights more safe. $25 to $30. Sealight 6000K LED fog lights. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. Obviously, I'm gonna put the pictures up and all that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy your day. check out these fog lights. They're pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty good. See you guys next time. Peace out. Real quick, I know I ended the video, or I guess I put this before I end the video. I can actually see these brightening up the pavement on the street. On my old fog lights, I could not see that. I know you can't tell in the video. I'm turning them on and off and looking at them right now, but I can actually see these brightening up the pavement. The only time I could see the old fog lights was when I was on real close to a car. I can floor it real quick for you guys too. Man, this car sounds good. It looked good too with these fog lights up in there, all these LEDs, but I can actually see it brightening up the pavement while I'm driving or while I'm sitting still. It's not even that dark outside. I can imagine it looking better once it gets really dark. But these are actually a little bit brighter than the old ones, and that is really good. So I'm going to say these are absolutely worth the money. The better design, better performance, it's worth the extra 10-15 bucks. Like I said, it's darker on these streets, and I could not see it. I'm telling you, I could not see it when I was turning them on and off with the old fog lights. I couldn't tell if they were on or if they were off. Sometimes I'd check the switch and it would be on, but I couldn't see them hitting the road or reflecting off of anything. But I can see these. I like that. It was a nice purchase. All right, now I'm gonna end the video. Sorry about that. I just had to get that out.